So if you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for the best Kucoin referral code that gives you the highest trading fee discount. Currently, the most you can get from a referral code is a 20% fee discount, because a Kucoin affiliate gets to decide how he wants to split the commission between himself and the person that uses his code. With some of them, you get a 20% discount, and with others, you only get a 5% or even a 0% discount, depending on how the affiliate has created that referral code. So as you can see in my affiliate dashboard, I've created a referral code where you can get the highest amount possible, which is a 20% discount. All you have to do is to either sign up with the link down below in the video description, or simply go to kucoin.com, click on sign up, and then under referral code, type in the code that you see on screen now. Then once your account is set up, that 20% discount will be automatically applied to your Kucoin account. If you want to get an additional 20% discount on your trading fees, there's one more thing you can do. You can go ahead and buy some KCS tokens, which is the native token of the Kucoin exchange. And then you want to go to trade, spot trading, and then on the bottom right, you want to look for a box that you can tick where it says KCS pay fees. Make sure you have that box ticked. And then as long as you have enough KCS tokens on your main account or on your trading account, you're gonna get an additional 20% discount on your trading fees. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.